Hello! We're going to breathe together for a few minutes. So rest your hands on your knees. We're going to start with ocean breath and we're going to inhale for 5, exhale for 5. So you can close the eyes if you want or watch me. I don't really mind either way. But we exhale first. Then we inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great start. Good. Now we're going to go into box breathing. So we inhale 5, hold 5, exhale 5, hold 5. Very simple. We do it together. We exhale first, of course. And then we start. And then we relax. Some normal breathing now. Just allow your body to breathe exactly as your body wants to. Just for a few breaths. Good. Okay, so now we're going to do alternate nostril breathing. So we close the left side of the nose and we inhale through the right. Close the right exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Close the left, exhale through the right. Continue. One more. Notice how calm you are in the mind, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.